Okay. Declan from Collar and Cuff, you won the Weddings Online award in the category Groomswear Supplier of the Year. How do you feel, Declan?
Thrilled, absolutely thrilled. Yeah.
Did you expect it?
No, I didn't. We're only 1 year old, so it's we're Weddings Online Awards now Virgin. So to come away with the award tonight was just a magnificent achievement, and just so happy.
Great, that's super, Declan. In what way do you think your business will benefit from having won this award?
Well, even from the nomination, the part of the nomination side of things, we just generated so much business with retweets and Facebook likes and all that sort of stuff. So I can only imagine that it will double, treble, or even quadruple now that we've won it. So just brilliant, just great exposure.
Super. So you think having these, winning an award like this is like a stamp of approval? It will help, get the message out that you are experts in what you do.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I know for a fact that so many brides and grooms are looking at the Weddings Online website and taking inspiration or ideas from what you guys put to them and putting it into their planning situation. So we're just absolutely thrilled to be a part of it, and this is a big bonus.
Well done, Declan, to you and the whole team. Well done. Congratulations and all the best for 2015.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.